Alright, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? How you doing? Mugamchibana Uganda, Mugamchibana Kampala. Once again, tuzenne mwana muwala gobaita Desire Luzinda. Of course, yafulumiza video ngaline muwala we ngabalaga. You know, she's driving. I don't know whether this girl, she's above 18, but I hope so. I believe she's around maybe 19, 20. Muwala mtonyo. Desire Luzinda yafulumiza ka video. You know, ngabalibo na. Remember, ali mu USA, mu America yo. Yasala wachu so bulamu oluvanyuma rabana Uganda kumwabye ebintu byafulume mabegao ne bamulabisa bobinyo. She decided to leave Uganda. Iranga abera bole na jawu lumuna lumu. Mostly waliyo nga events zamanya ate on invitation Raja pose next festive seasons Raja keno mu Uganda, you know, to have a great time. Desire Luzinda ni yade ne muwala we ngawo balawa mu ka video nga muwala wa avuga yarajukiraga na manga gakula toso avuga nga tulina driving license obeno jomuita permit mu Uganda, you know. So kinu kya kabinyo, we wish her the best. Ajukira nti Grenade official yali epikira omwana ono, but hey, let's see how sad, you know, man. Kya kabinyo, thanks for watching, ladies and gentlemen. Till next time, have a great time, you know.
And also have that little intuition, the sixth, what we call the sixth sense. Otokamani. In what? Intuition. Say it again. Intuition. God, thank you, Michelle. She will forever tell me that now, huh? Well, yeah, intuition.